In a wild, stormy jungle ruled by roaring beasts and ancient secrets, Chia, the tiny dinosaur, lived with his best friend, Tico, the brave zebra. One night, the sky turned red. The great volcano of doom had awakened after 1,000 years. But something worse had risen with it. A massive, dark-scaled tyrannosaur king named Skorg, stronger than any beast before, came out from deep lava caves. His roar shook the trees. His glowing red eyes saw everything. "Run!" shouted Tico as lava rivers began to flow and rocks fell like fire from the sky. But Chia didn't run. He saw a baby stegosaurus trapped on a cliff, crying for help. With courage burning in his heart, Chia climbed up the crumbling edge, dodging fireballs and Skorg's thunderous stomps. "Chia, come back!" yelled Tico. Chia grabbed the baby, slid down the cliff, and just as Skorg snapped his jaws, wham! A falling rock hit Skorg's head. The beast roared in pain and vanished into the volcano's smoke. The animals cheered as Chia stood there, covered in ash but smiling.